First, turn on the power switch on the right side of the machine. Lift up the touchscreen on the left side of the machine. On the home screen, tap Wi-Fi. Enter your password to connect the printer to your network. Tap Settings, then select Replace Ink Cartridge. Wait for the cartridge slot to move to the front. Take out the ink cartridge. Then completely remove both the red and blue seals from the ink cartridge. Insert the cartridge at an angle until you hear a click, indicating it is securely locked in place. Then tap Ink Cartridge Reset and wait for the holder to return. Tap Gallery in the top left corner to use built-in designs. Or tap Upload to scan the QR code with your phone. Choose an image and upload it to the editor. Then adjust the size and position as needed. Tap Confirm to finish uploading. Resize and position the image to fit your printing area. When you're ready, tap Print Preview to preview the exact print position before printing. Check the print position, then tap Print on the screen, or press the side button to start printing. Wait a few seconds for the automatic printing to complete.